Ever heard of a spacecraft using Earth's gravity to slingshot through space? ESA's JUICE mission did just that, and it captured something amazing. While flying past Earth and the Moon, NASA's JENI instrument took the sharpest ever image of Earth's radiation belts. This is Earth's plasma halo, super hot and full of charged particles. Normally, we can't see it, but JENI made it visible. These rings show distances of 4 and 6 times Earth's radius, mapping out where this intense radiation surrounds the planet. JUICE also measured energetic ions and electrons as it passed through the radiation belts. Key data to help scientists understand space around Earth. And this is just the start. JUICE is heading to Jupiter for even bigger discoveries. Stay tuned.